Okay, then don't. Didn't honk the horn at all. I bet it's the guy that always never honks. I know the one guy, sometimes I try to get him to honk. Instead, he'll spit out the window that it's him. Also, while I was at the auction, all them cop cars and one dump truck and one backhoe got towed. Yeah, I missed that Peterbilt and the Freightliner FL70 that was parked there. Missed it. But next Saturday there's gonna be something. Hopefully it'll be something good. Hopefully I won't have to get interrupted like the one Saturday. It's the reason I didn't film that whole M2 Freightliner getting towed away. The one M2 Freightliner that was wrecked. It hit the train bridge. I had it in my community post for a while. If you watch that, then you know what I'm talking about. Her 2012s next year are going to be the ones that are going now, which is stupid. There's nothing wrong with the 2012s. They're in mint condition. In fact, I think that one's a 2012 right there. Back to the train. Let's see, DPU. What is it? I think it's just Northfolk Southern. Yep. Nothing special. It's been hard to get freighters here lately. My first one in a while. Finally getting relieved. That's right, don't hammer those cars. I think sometimes they film with grain, sometimes they film with gasoline. And there's the end. Fred's whistling at least. One of the older Freds too. It's an older Fred.